Samsung's Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is definitely deserving of the name, thanks to the large form factor and specs, which also packs a huge battery. With that in mind, we were definitely interested in finding out how long it takes to charge a large battery to 100% and if it's on par with Samsung's claims. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube, SamMobile TV. Here is our charging test of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. A quick breakdown of the battery and charging specs. The Tab S8 Ultra is packing an 11,200 mAh battery with support for Samsung's Superfast Charging 2.0 at 45 watts. Samsung claims 100% charge from 1% in roughly 82 minutes, which works out to be 1 hour 22 minutes using their official 45 watt charger. We will be using the latest EP-T4510 charger and the 5 amp cable which came with it. As we showcase in our unboxing video, this time around you do not get a charger included in the box with the Tab S8 Ultra, meaning you will have to purchase it separately. We will also be using a wattage reader to see how close and consistent to 45 watts will be used while charging to 100%. All forms of optimized battery settings have been disabled and fast charging has been enabled for the fastest charging experience. We highly recommend you watch this video at the highest quality possible in 4K in full screen mode on the largest display you have for the best viewing experience, especially when looking at the fine text. A quick word from our channel affiliate partner NordVPN. As our preferred VPN of choice, NordVPN gives you a secure connection while keeping a fast speed and also access to content in different regions on popular services like Netflix. Use our unique link for your NordVPN plan and our coupon code SamMobile, backed with a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, starting off with the main charging test, you will see that the Superfast Charging 2.0 is active, meaning we are getting the fastest charging speeds available to the Tab S8 Ultra. You also see that the Tab S8 Ultra does not have an always on display to be able to see the battery percentage as we go through each of the charging phase. Again, pay attention to the charging wattage reader to see how much watts is pulling for maximum power and maximum charging speeds. At each 15-minute interval, let's see how the charging gets along with the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Now, as you can see at the first interval at the 15-minute mark, the Tab S8 Ultra is actually at 22%, which is really good to see. And in terms of the wattage, it is pulling slightly above 40 watts, around 41 to 42 watts, which is good to see. The next interval, of course, will be at the 30-minute mark. And at the half an hour mark, where will the Tab S8 Ultra be? When we get to the 30-minute mark, you will see that the Tab S8 Ultra is at 44% and is consistently pulling around 41 to 42 watts. So the larger battery is really taking advantage of the 45 watt charging speeds on the EP-4510 charger, which is really great to see. Next will be at the 45-minute interval. And at the 45-minute interval, we'll see where we are with the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. And at the 45-minute interval, we'll see that it is at 66%. Really good and consistent charging, where you can see that the first 45 minutes is really pulling around 41 to 42 watts, very close to the 45 watts that is capable of supporting. Let's move over next to the 60-minute mark, the 1 hour mark, to see where we are in terms of the charging. And at the 60-minute mark, at the 1 hour mark, you'll see that the Tab S8 Ultra is now at 85% charge, which is really good to see in terms of the charging cycle, especially considering the battery size that the Tab S8 Ultra is packing. Now we're seeing how close we are going to be in terms of the finishing for it based on Samsung's claim of 82 minutes. And at the next interval of 1 hour and 15 minutes, the Tab S8 Ultra is now at 96%. Only 4% left, not much time left until it's full, and pretty much it's a good charging cycle that we can see that it's pulling from the 45 watt charger. Now, since we don't have an always on display, the last remaining few minutes we're checking it every minute, and we left the screen on at the remaining few minutes just to be able to check, as we saw that it was at 99%. 100%, and it did hit 100% at 1 hour, 18 minutes, and 40 seconds to full charge. It does indeed look like the Tab S8 Ultra more than lives up to Samsung's charging time claims, as it charges to 100% well within the 1 hour 22 minutes suggested time. Looking at the wattage meter reading as well, it looks like majority of the time, especially within the first 50 minutes, the Tab S8 Ultra was pulling close to 42 watts consistently before dropping down near to the end. Since there is no charger in the box, it does look like this time around picking up the 45 watt plug to charge the large battery in the Tab S8 Ultra makes more sense. What are your thoughts on the Tab S8 Ultra charging times? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. For the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.